Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect your HyperX Cloud 3 to your Xbox in 2026. So first of all, to begin with, the HyperX Cloud 3 is mainly a wired headset, and on Xbox it works best using the 3.5 control connection. So first of all, you need to power on your Xbox console and make sure that the controller is connected and working properly. Now you need to take the 3.5 jack audio from your headset and then you need to plug it directly into the Xbox controller. Once it is connected, the audio will automatically switch to the headset. After doing this, you just have to simply press the X button on your controller in order to open the guide. Now you need to go to the audio and the music settings where you will see the headset audio controls. From here, you will be able to adjust the following like the headset volume, the headset jack timer, and even mic monitoring. So this ensures the clear sound and the proper voice chat levels. Finally, you can test your microphone in a party chat or game to confirm that it is working correctly. If needed, you can reconnect the jack firmly to ensure the proper detection. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.